Look, boys, the problem with nice guys is that nobody likes you. Girls don't like you, guys don't like you, friends don't like you, everybody walks all over you. And the problem is, you'll probably think, yo, if I'm nice, people will like me more. Wrong. These 7 nice guy habits that I'm going to talk about make you the complete opposite, make you just unlikable, bro. Let's hop into this. Number 1, you just don't set boundaries. The problem here, bro, is that a lot of dudes won't set personal boundaries for stuff that they will and will not allow. And what ends up happening is that people will walk and trample all over you and abuse and use you. They don't like you. They don't want to be with you. They're just using you because they know that they can move you like a puppet and you'll never say anything about it. This is why in friendships and relationships and any sort of connection you're having with another individual, you should set boundaries for what you do and do not accept and make them clear. And for those that don't follow those boundaries, you cut out. Number 2, you're entitled. The problem with nice guys is that they feel entitled to a repayment. And this is what makes you unlikable. See, people like genuinely good guys. This is a great thing. When you do a good deed or something great for a person without expecting repayment, yeah, anybody's gonna like you. The problem is that good guys do good things waiting repayment from other people, and that repayment is usually attention, likeness, favor, or in most women's cases, you want her to call you back or date you or like you. When you do something nice and feel entitled something in return, that's when you become unlikable. Number 3, you focus too much on other people. You have to stop putting everybody else first. Trust me, they're not gonna like you more, and instead what's gonna happen, they're gonna take advantage of you. They're not even gonna notice the efforts that you're doing. Instead, I want you to put yourself first both mentally and with your physical time. Instead, all that extra time that you're not gonna have, I want you to put into your craft, into your grind, into your passion, into your job, into your career, into your school, into your athleticism. I don't care what you do, what you like. I want you to put all that extra time into that and just watch the exponential growth that you're gonna have in your personal life that nobody else is gonna do for you. Which, by the way, while I'm grinding there, did you see that? You saw that. You must have seen it. It looks good. You cannot miss it. That Santa Lucia candle looks pretty damn sick. Boys, right now we have stocked up our new Santa Lucia candles, which are in all of our 3 popular fragrance sets. And the reason why this is important is that, as you know, our scents were designed scientifically for specific purposes. Our Come Closer was a romantic scent. This is the one that you use to get girls to get closer. We have our To Conquering. This is the grind scent, the one that makes you feel like a boss, that increases confidence. And then we have our everyday scent that's fresh, that's light, that makes you feel good. The great part is that in candle format, it does the same effect. See, not only does it make the room smell amazing, pleasant, you just want to be in there, but when I'm in my grind mode, I have my To Conquering scent. Boom, I'll turn that on. Not only do I feel great, I feel like the boss. If I'm in my room, things are getting hot and heavy. You're about to Netflix and chill, if you know what I mean. Boom, you put that Come Closer scent. Your room goes from smelling like a 12-year-old boy's locker room to a man's bachelor pad. And that's gonna close the deal. That's gonna get you that second date, and that's all because now your room smells amazing. Or maybe you're just chilling at home, you're by yourself, you wanna relax, you want something light, boom, you put the everyday scent. The great part is that we made them in these ceramic containers that are super clean and minimal, and they just look sick in any aesthetic. It actually just levels up any room, office that you put it on. Boys, these candles just dropped, and as you know, everything we drop on Santa Lucia tends to move fast. Our fragrances are pretty much sold out. Everything else is on limited supply. These are probably going to move fast. We only, I think, I don't even know how many we have. We have a very limited amount because this is a first run. So we want to see what you guys think about it and how much you guys like them. If you guys want to test them out, they're going to be linked down below. Number 4, you apologize for everything. Especially apologize for things that you didn't even do or didn't even have to apologize for. Too many guys fall into this trap thinking that they need to apologize for these things to make everybody else feel comfortable and themselves not uncomfortable, which rolls us on to number 5. You overinvest in relationships. You should understand that relationships are two-sided. You never want your side to be more invested than the other side, whether that's a sexual relationship or a friendship. Once you are the one that's invested more, you're the nice guy, you're gonna be taken advantage of. And what you need to know is that the fact that in any friendship or relationship, there is an unbalance of investment, you should know that that person doesn't see you the same way you see that person. That no longer is a friendship or relationship, and you should cut it. 6, avoiding eye contact. Most nice guys do this because they feel uncomfortable themselves and they don't want other people to feel uncomfortable. But what you gotta know, when you avoid people's eye contact, on top of looking weird and insecure, you're also giving off creepy vibes where people can't trust you. You look untrustworthy or like you're hiding something, and this is why you become unlikable. And finally, number 7, you worry too much if people like you. This is the overarching problem with nice guys. If I had to summarize the entire video, it'd be with this tip right here. Too many guys' concern in life is whether or not people like them, to the point that they will sacrifice their own happiness and mental well-being just to make sure that everybody likes them, and that extra effort that they're putting in actually ends up making them unlikable. The moment you stop caring is the moment that people actually will like you more. It's crazy, but I promise you, it's gonna work. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our Santa Lucia candles. If you guys want to check those out, they're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.